fifth graders, so let's talk about how books are divided in our library. It's very different than your elementary school. Okay, our library is divided into sections and genres. Okay. Also, fifth graders, exciting news, you can check out any book that you want to. Okay, you are not limited to a certain shelf or certain types of books. We don't say fifth grade can only get these books, sixth grade can only get these books. You can check out any book from anywhere you want, even the books that are on the tops of the shelves. Okay, so any book you want, anytime. You get 2 books at a time for 4 weeks. Okay, if you want to renew a book, you can renew it once for another 4 weeks. That would be 8 weeks total. The only books you cannot renew are Mark Twain's, and you can only check one of those out. Those are in high demand, so we limit those. Everything else, you can pick whatever you want. We don't care what 2 books you pick. That's up to you. Our library is divided into genres. I want you to notice, as you look around the library, that there are numbers. Okay, we'll often tell you where numbers are, so we'll say, oh, go to number 1. Fantasy is in number 2. You know, number 7 is action adventure. So we do tell you by numbers how to get places. So it's one way to tell you where sections are, because we have genres like realistic fiction, science fiction, fantasy. We also have a map, okay? And we have a map that will help you see where things are. You can always ask a librarian for help, but this map is here that shows you where our different genres are. So you're welcome to always come around and look at the map. On the map it shows you you're here, and you can find those sections if you want to be able to do that on your own. Okay, now we're going to have some young ladies show you how to find a book in the fantasy section.
Today I am going to be showing you how to find Harry Potter books. Okay, so as you can see, we're in sections 2 and 4, and these are in alphabetical order. So we are going to follow the books until we find the R's. Now here are the R's. So we are